Oh yeah. Big old blue. Big.
You think so?
Tyler Axton Jackson.
Come on, Tyler, land this fish. Get this fish. I had to look over and I thought,
Pig!
let's go. It's an ass.
Oh, leave him in the net. Give me some, bud. Give me some. Let's go. Look at that. In the grill, big blue. Been looking for them all morning, ain't we? All morning, man. Hey, yeah.
Hey, now sit back just a hair and push your arms out a little bit further. Get it back.
Oh yeah, boss, I gotta get any more.
Right,
Yeah.
Real quick, Chris.
Go ahead.
Release that pretty fish.
Thank you so much.
Good deal, man.
Tyler brought me down here to have a good time, and boy, have I not been having a good time.
How many fish you caught today, Matt Olaker?
I'm on 3.
3 right now. Oh my goodness.
Dang,
Dig City.
dang.
Get a pose with him. Oh my goodness. Hey guys, we gonna zoom in. They can look huge. Look at this pig. Yeah.
Tyler's on one. Oh, I got him. Here it goes, folks. I'll do a little short video. Tyler Axton Jackson.